How to fix TikTok slideshow not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your TikTok slideshow if it is not working properly. So for that, you just have to open your Play Store or your Apple Store and just search for TikTok and see if there is any update pending. As you can see that there is an update available for my TikTok. So just go ahead and update your TikTok. And once you're done updating your TikTok, all you have to do is just come back to your TikTok and open your account. And after that, just click on the create icon from the bottom. And from here, just go to photos. And after that, just click on upload. And here just select multiple pictures as per your choice. And when you will click on next, you will see that the slideshow is working quite fine for me now. So this is how you can fix if your TikTok slideshow is not working. And if your TikTok slideshow is still not working, so you can go ahead and clear the cache on your TikTok account, and that might fix your problem if it is not solved yet. So I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.